Hello everybody. So through this session we will discuss grammar, and in grammar we will discuss today transformation of sentences. So as we know that sentences used to be of many kinds, like assertive sentences, negative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So your question used to be to transform one kind of a sentence into another kind of sentence. So first of all we will take up assertive sentence to negative. How to change assertive sentence into negative sentence only. So your assertive sentence means positive sentence. It could be of present, it could be of past. So first of all we will take up a sentence like, first sentence, she goes to school daily. This is first assertive sentence. Now to change this into negative, now we should know how to make negative sentences, as it is very clear here, present indefinite only, subject plus first form SENS, subject plus first form of the verb plus S and ES. So this is present indefinite only. Now when we have to make the negative, we have to just follow this do, does plus not. Like that only we have to make the negative. So the negative will be, she does not go to school daily. Now does not plus first form, es of goes has been taken by do, so do is changed into does and it will become she does not go to school daily. Likewise second sentence, I like cricket. Now the same sixth sentence also is of present indefinite, subject plus first form S and ES is not taken because it is I only, so we will change it, I do not like cricket, or I don't like cricket. Now the third sentence is, he ran a race. Now very clearly, first of all we have to find it out. This is second form of the verb, that means this is past indefinite. Now when we have to change this into negative sentence, we have to use second form of do, that is did. So the negative will be, he did not run a race. What we have to take care of, that we should not use again second form here ran, because that second form is already taken by do and it has become did only. So we will, did will always followed by first form. He did not run a race. Ran will be totally wrong here, so we have to be careful about that. Next sentence is, you told a lie. Now we can easily say, because the second form of the verb, that again it's a past indefinite only, and for making negative we have to use definitely did only here. So it will be, you did not tell a lie. did plus first form of the verb. So the next sentence is he will do it for me. Now making a negative of this is so easy because we just have to place only not here, and we know that form the structure of the negative sentences used to be helping verb plus not and the main verb. So because in present indefinite, past indefinite sentences these helping verbs are not visible only, that's why we have to figure it out, we have to use do did there. Now in such sentences where helping verb is very much clear, it is visible there, so we have to just place not between helping verb and the main verb, and the negative sentence will be he will not do it for me. However, this is a future indefinite only, shall will plus first form of the verb. That is also very much clear. Similarly, I am taking one sentence of perfect sentences also, like Amit has completed his work. Now this is our present perfect, has a plus third form of the verb. However, present, past are all perfect sentences, and in which the helping verb is visible, there is no they can be easily changed into negative sentences just by supplying not between helping verb and the main verb. So the negative will be Amit has not completed his work. So next is assertive to interrogative sentences, and interrogatives are question mark questions only. So first sentence I am taking, he reads in 10th class. Now again, for making interrogative we have to find out the helping verb, because the structure of your interrogative sentences used to be helping verb in the beginning, then your subject, and then the main verb. Means this is your subject and this is the helping verb, this is the main verb. So here helping verb should be placed before the subject only. In that case only you can make the interrogative sentences. So as it is present indefinite, so helping verb is definitely do, does here. So we have to place this before he only, and it will become, does he read in 10th class, and have to put question mark only. See here that S of reads is already shifted to do, it has become does, so we will not repeat it here with read, it will remain read only and not reads. That we have to take care of. Similarly, we are taking second sentence, they play in the morning daily. Now helping verb, this is a present indefinite only, helping verb is do, so it will become do they play in the morning daily, and question mark we have to put here. Similarly, taking one more sentence like he made a mistake. Now, this is very second form. So this is our past indefinite and we have here helping verb did. So interrogative will be did he make a mistake? Question mark. Similarly, one more sentence of past indefinite. Rajat killed a snake. Second form. So did Rajat kill a snake? Question mark. And we have to, did will always take first form, that we have to make case. Taking one sentence of future also, like you will get the award. So very easy to make because helping verb and main verb both are there. So we have to shift the helping verb in the beginning. So it will become will you get the award? Question mark. Taking one more sentence of your model also, like you can do this work. Now helping verb and the main verb, and we have to shift the helping verb in the beginning only. So it will become only can you do this work? Question mark. That's for today.